I'm Dan Stitt with CSI representing River City. We are here today at Martin Luther King Middle School for fire alarm training. Real quick, this is your main fire alarm panel, an NFS 320. Basically, this is where any alarms are going to come in. If you get some troubles, it'll come up here and it'll display where the problem is. Tell you pretty much what the problem is, where it's at. You also have an annunciator over here by the front door. That little FDU 80 says the exact same thing this does. That's basically for the fire department. Real quick, I'm going to set this off. Can we do this? When somebody pulls a pull station, that's going to latch red. That's what you're going to see. To silence the bells and whistles, just hit acknowledge, hit silence. Kills all the bells and whistles in the building. And if you look right here, pull station, front office. To reset the pull station, you got to put the key in to open it up. You have to flip that switch. Come over here, hit reset. It's going to take a few minutes to initialize. Any questions so far?
No.
I think in a couple days, you guys, this key fits everything.
Okay.
One key fits all. They'll give you guys some keys in a couple days.
Question. The key that we already have, it goes for the same alarms that we have over there?
Can I see it? No.
Okay.
Now right here you have a smoke detector. In normal operation you'll see it's flashing green. When it goes into alarm, just like the pull station, it's going to latch red. And then just come over, hit reset, wait a few seconds, it'll clear. We got this right here, Richmond Alarm, that's who's doing the monitoring.
Okay.
Here's your account number. All right. And if you guys go to do a fire drill, it's a good idea to go ahead and call Richmond Alarm to put it on test just to be safe. But then you can come over and just hit the drill button. Good.
So we can actually do the drill
From here?
Okay.
Good. We're still doing some more fire alarm training at Martin Luther King. We now moved on to the graphic annunciator, which is located in the main lobby next to the office. Anyhow, this basically is an outline of your school, and it's broken down into certain zones. This is really for the fire department. Pull another pull station. See. The red LED is for the fire alarm. Says it's a pull station. Now to reset using this thing, you've got to have this key.
Okay.
Turn it. Hold it for like 2 seconds. But everything that you see at the main fire panel, you're going to see here. You can do the exact same thing. Now, if you had some type of trouble, instead of a fire alarm in one of these areas, it's still going to show up here, but instead of it being red LED, it's going to be yellow, saying it's a trouble. I mean, that's really it. There's not a lot to it. All right, we're going to do a quick test on the drill. Once again, you got to turn this key.
What button is that?
The drill button. That's it.
So you depress the drill button, then you hit acknowledge, then you hit silence.
Just to
then you
kill the
reset.
bells and whistles, yeah.
Good.
A smoke or heat detector, if it accidentally gets knocked down, will that show up as,
If somebody takes a smoke head off, it's going to come in here and it's going to say so-and-so detector invalid reply. If it's dirty, it'll say smoke detector such and such dirty.
will you also receive notification that it's a trouble?
Yes.
So that'll be lit for that zone. Are there any other remote enunciators for the system?
No, sir.
And then I noticed there's a lamp test. Is there a,
You put it in, it's just, when you use the lamp test, it's just going to light up the LEDs, letting you know the LEDs are good.
is there any time frame that should be done monthly? Or?
Up to your discretion.
Yeah. So when it says initialization, that means that it's being reset.
Yes.